Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video you're going to be seeing a DIY canvas art or canvas photo, if you will. These are 10 by 10, not 10 by 10, 8 by 10 canvases that I did on my own. I was going to order some, but they were like $100 and I was like, that's crazy. So stay tuned until the end to see how much all of this costs. But here is a close-up and they look amazing and I absolutely love them. Okay you guys, so today I'm going to be adding 3 more 8 by 10 canvases to the 3 that I've already done, and I'm just showing you the materials that I'm using again. I had 1 left from Hobby Lobby and I went to Walmart and got 2 more. These are 8 by 10 canvases, and then I printed off 3 more pictures that I want to add to my collage wall. I just printed those at Walgreens. This is the black acrylic paint that I'm using for around the edges, and then this is the Mod Podge, the matte finish that I'm going to be using. 2 foam brushes, and I'm going to use this for my paint, and then this is just my little sheet that I'm using to cover up everything.
Hey you guys, so here you see me pouring out the paint, and I'm preparing to paint the sides with the black acrylic paint, and that's what you're going to see in the next couple clips, so that when you hang the canvas you see the black on all 4 sides. So in this clip you see me painting the Mod Podge onto the canvas first, and this is what the photo is going to stick to, and then I'm also going to put the Mod Podge on top of the photo so it gives it that matte canvas look. Now you can get a gloss if you want a gloss finish, but I chose matte because I wanted a matte finish for the canvases, and it turned out really well.
So yes you guys, this is the final product. Again, all the supplies I got from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. 3 of the canvases are from Hobby Lobby for I think $2.99, and then the other set are from Walmart for I think maybe $4. The Mod Podge was from Walmart for about $2 or $3, and then the acrylic paint was also from Walmart for about $2, and then the sponge brushes was from Walmart as well for like 50 cents, and then I got the photos printed at Walgreens, and altogether I think I spent about $10, or maybe, yeah, about $10 on all of these because I had a coupon too. So it was very cheap, you guys. Altogether I probably spent about $20, $25. So I'm very, very glad with how they turned out. They are smaller than what I would want them to be, but I was kind of in a rush because I wanted something on this wall. So later on I may do some bigger, but for right now this works perfect. I absolutely love them. So again, DIY canvas photo art I did all by myself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I only spent about $25 from Hobby Lobby and Walmart and Walgreens with the photos. So with the photos, probably about $35. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.